Well, it may not be a pleasant sound, but it has the power to save lives. Smoke alarms are being installed around East Texas today over in Chapel Hill. It's for the Sound the Alarm Save a Life initiative. That's the name of the Red Cross campaign to prevent fire fatalities. They went door to door asking residents if they had working alarms, installing them if they didn't. They also offered information about fire escape plans and safety.
Families have on average 2 minutes to get out of their home after a smoke alarm goes off. If you don't get awakened, if you don't know that you need to get out, that reduces your chances of surviving.
After several deadly East Texas fires last year, the volunteers say they wanted to help keep their community and neighbors stay safe. They'll be out in neighborhoods for several weeks to come.